Hello student, let's try to understand the structure of glucose student, right? So Fisher projection we are going to understand student Fisher structure. So what the Fisher said student that we have to understand. Okay, at the third carbon, at C3 carbon, OH group student, OH group will be left side, OH group will be right side. No, OH group will be left side. Third carbon, this is what the first point he said. Other carbon, whatever the other OH group, right side. Other OH group, if we talk about other OH group, four other OH group, they are going to be right side student. That keep in mind, right? Here student, at the position of the C5 position, C5 there is exception. What is? Here we have to match with the D-glyceraldehyde. If OH group right side student, it is going to be plus glucose student, because here it is the resemblance with the plus D-glyceraldehyde student, D-glyceraldehyde. So plus that is D-glucose student. And if OH group is at the C5 student, OH it is right side student, right side. So it is matching with the what? D-glucose. Okay, it is going to be what student? D-glucose. And at C5 it is there student what? At C5 OH group left, just like the L-glyceraldehyde. So it will be what student? L-glucose. It is the L-glucose. That you need to keep in mind. Now let us read the slide student, what the slide is saying actually. The glucose is 6 carbon straight chain aldose which has one aldehyde group CHO, one primary hydroxyl group. What is the primary hydroxyl group? That is OH group. This is the 1 degree. And what is there? And 4 secondary hydroxyl group. So this hydroxyl group, this hydroxyl group, this hydroxyl group, this is secondary. If the OH group attached C5 is on the right side, the glucose is D configuration. So at the 5 carbon, what is the there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 it is at the right side. Students, this is the D configuration. If OH group attached to C5 on the left side, it is L configuration. So OH is left side, this is the L configuration. The plus and minus sign represent the optical rotation as dextro and levo rotatory and have no relationship with the D and L. So here you see on the first position, second position, OH group is what? Where student? Right side. So it is the positive. OH group is left side. It is the negative. Okay. So this is what the configuration student.